Welcome to BrandElevate, the world's first 4-in-1 traffic suite to connect with influential people, build authority, grow your list, boost revenue, and drive targeted traffic to any offer almost on command. We have adapted this awesome technology in your favor so you can apply only 3 easy-to-follow steps which practically anyone can do. Let me show you. Step 1. Find. BrandElevate lets you quickly and easily find and work with top-level influencers in your niche across multiple social platforms: Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, in a single click. You simply need to create your campaign by clicking on this button, adding a campaign name and the URL you would like to advertise, and create it. You then will be able to add top-level influencers to your campaign in just a click. Even be able to search them by username and account ID. And also filter them by social platform. And if you upgrade your BrandElevate account, you will also be able to filter them by industry and location. Right before you start communicating with the influencers selected, you can add the promotion media you plan to use to advertise your promotion URL, and you can do so by adding a media URL here, which can be an image or video, or you can use the images you uploaded to the gallery located inside the image builder. And the way you can start communicating with the influencers is by selecting one of them and clicking on this button right here. And there you will be able to send them a direct message. And what you will send them in that direct message is this private chat URL and access code, as well as an invitation to connect with you for a social advertising service you need from them. And this is how Elevate lets you find an influencer and close profitable deals using our done-for-you built-in private communication channel. Step 2. Provide. Communicating with top-level influencers by using BrandElevate's private communication channel has some awesome advantages. First of all, this clean, professional-looking, and secure environment gives influencers a really important first impression. Also, as you may experience on a daily basis, texting inside a social media environment can be really difficult because of the distraction factor. Here, you and the influencer can easily concentrate on the offer details. And here, they will be able to preview your promotion material, such as the promotion URL and the promotion media. And in the chat, you can share with the influencer all the details for the advertising campaign. Step 3. Enjoy. Once you finally close a profitable deal, influencers will be able to set up and post your campaign to their highly engaged followers in less than 24 hours. This is just terrific. Awesome, don't you think? But this is just the tip of the iceberg. What you have seen in action is only one of the 4 traffic apps which come inside BrandElevate, which is the Campaigns Manager. If you don't have a website just yet, you can use our awesome, easy-to-use, and professional store builder with custom domain capabilities. You can easily create your store by clicking on this button right here. Add a business name, a business email, a business phone number. Set up default values for the call to action for each product added to the store. These can be overridden per product basis. You could add here an affiliate link or payment URL. Add your business logo. Select your theme and then click on Create. And there you have your store created in just a few clicks. And customizing it is even easier. You just need to get inside, and you can start listing your products and services. Adding categories. Editing pages. Customizing the theme. And setting up your custom domain. Contact details, logo, social accounts, and footer text. Exactly what you need to worry about setting up a high-converting store without all the headaches. And this is how your awesome store would look like in just a snap, thanks to BrandElevate. So as you can see, you don't have to worry about having a website when you can set up this awesome-looking and professional store in just minutes. And what about the third app? Well, If you would like to avoid investing money paying someone to create images for you, we have a solution for that too. Here you guys can access our image editor, where you will be able to upload your image of choice. And be able to edit with the coolest image editing features. But you not only can upload and edit images here, but also be able to create them from scratch. And last but not least, in a world where buyers get even more experienced when it comes to making the decision to buy, tracking is one of the most important digital marketing strategies to date. That's why we have provided you with our link tracker, so you can easily measure the effectiveness of your campaigns with detailed insights and tracking maps. My friends, the sky's the limit. There's lots of awesome stuff inside BrandElevate, but I can't show it all in just this short video. Just get inside and see for yourself. Really, no other solution will give you as much value for your money. So, if you're looking to use the world's first 4-in-1 traffic suite to connect with influential people, build authority, grow your list, boost revenue, and drive targeted traffic to any offer almost on command, then try UltraFunnels today. You'll be glad you did. See you on the other side.